Alright guys, I just received this package. I didn't know what it is before I open it. It's quite surprised. I'm quite surprised that it looked like a big milk bottle from oatmeal bottle from Alternative Dairy and Co. Seriously, I don't know what inside. Just check that out. Look like a shoe box or something. But anyway, it shouldn't be a pair of shoes. Alternative. They're always a good friend of mine. It's actually pretty cool. This one is a tote, I don't know what that's called. Bag, kind of a bag, a carrying bag. Oh, that's awesome. A hat. What did it say? Doing it for the brew. That's pretty cool. I never wear hat. Actually, wearing hat is not my style, but I might give that a try. Probably I will post a photo later that I'm wearing this and see. Actually, I should do it now though. Alright, I don't really want to show the back of my room, but for the sake of wearing this hat, how does that look? Why should I wear it like this? Alright, much cooler. Alright, pretty cool. Okay, what else? What else in here? This is like one thing that I clips on my side whenever that I work. It's actually quite handy for me because I always have one on the side attached to my body to clean my hand. And you know, sometimes clean the cup is that dirty. Okay, that's good. What else? Oh, it looked like a jug something. Hopefully that's a jug. Hopefully that's a jug. Yes, that's a jug. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? What the hell? A GB jug? Oh my god, seriously? GB together with Alternative Dairy Co. They do a jug. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't believe it. I got a GB jug delivered to me. Unexpected. Speakless. Oh my god. What else? Creamy soy for coffee joy. That they launching a kind of new soy milk. So excited. We'll try that soon. Oh, actually, it's here. Oh my god. So they actually send the soy milk with the gift, with the package. Oh my god, I gotta give it a try. I seriously have to give this one a try on the coffee and see how that performs. Alright. Well, I think that's pretty thoughtful. When they send the milk, they send all kind of milk together with the jug to actually test the quality of the milk, and with a really good jug, I don't think why it's not possible. Also, almond milk, that's quite cool. And my favorite milk recently, oat milk. What else? Oh, actually, there's a couple more things. A bee. I don't know why Alternative Dairy Milk and Co. logo or symbol is a bee, but it's very cool. Alright, I will attach that to my apron when I work. What else? Check this out. Literally nuts for coffee. Oh, this is quite cool. Oh my god, literally nuts for coffee. And a pen. That's good, quite signature. and some stickers. Oh my god. And here we go, the whole thing. Look guys, really, I don't expect all these goodies to come. Alright, thank you Alternative Dairy Co. Thank you for your cool gift. This is really unexpected, but I really appreciate it. Alright, and oh my god, I gotta think what to do with this thing. And I will do that in the next video. Alright, I will test that out. I would sure will give that a try and see how that goes. Alright, what's this up?